Hello, all the judicial aspirants. Welcome to session 3. In the last session, we have discussed about all the syllabus for the judicial examination. What are the laws covered in the AP and Telangana judicial service examinations? Next, what is the judgment which led to 3-year practice rule, which was All India Judges Association and Union of India and others. There's another case we discussed in the earlier session also. What are the directions and what is the earlier notification of 2025 for Telangana and Andhra. So we have covered the vacancies in the last year, and also in the second session we have covered with the categories, how many seats were there. Next we have also covered 2026 notification for vacancies in the Andhra Pradesh state, which were 119 vacancies total. And we have also seen notification where 30 January 2026 from the state of Telangana, we have seen that there are nil vacancies. Now in this session we'll cover the Government of Andhra Pradesh has issued a GO, government order by the Law Department dated 16th July 2026. The Andhra Pradesh State Judicial Services and Cadre Rules 2026 by way of Government Order GO MS 57. In the GO 57, what is covered? So this notification has been issued in exercise of the Articles 233, 234, 235 and 237 read with Proviso to 309 of Constitution of India, and all the rules in the AP State Judicial Service Cadre Rules 2007 covered under GO number 119 of 2008 supersedes the present earlier notification, and the same was rules approved by the Honorable High Court of AP. And these rules comes into force from the date of publication in the AP Official Gazette. And this government GO order GO is issued in pursuant to the Supreme Court directions in Writ Petition Civil 1022 of 1982 dated 20 May 2025 and 19/11/2025 and Civil Appeal number 3947 of 2020 dated 9/10/2025. So going further, what the new rule says, in the earlier notification we have seen, we can see from the 2007 rules. Now coming to the new rules, clause 3(1)(e) says a candidate must have practiced law for a minimum period of 3 years calculated from the date of provisional enrollment registration with the State Bar Council concerned. In the last notification, this rule was not mentioned in the notification as the same was pending earlier, but the Telangana judicial examination notification was covered. This 3-year practice rule was covered in the earlier notification. Now coming to the clause 3(1)(f). So this rule says practice must be certified by the principal judicial officer of the concerned district and or by an advocate of 10 plus years standing duly endorsed by the principal judicial officer or registrar judicial. So next, clause 3(1)(g). Experience as a law clerk, legal research assistant to a judge of the High Court, any tribunal or the Supreme Court of India also counts toward the 3-year practice requirement. So these 3 things also we have discussed in the session 2. So this session is all about the GOMS number 57, which was issued by the Government of Andhra Pradesh. Next, conditions under Rule 4(3)(1). Recruitment, direct recruitment. We all know these conditions. What are the conditions? Holder of a degree of in law by the university established by law in India, and not more than 35 years of age from the date of notifications, and there is a relaxation plus 5 years of EWS, BC, SC, ST, and we all can see this from the GO 57. And for defense service candidates, period of defense service is excluded while computing the age. Good character, minimum of 3 years practice computed from the date of provisional enrollment, registration with the concerned state bar council. Practice certified by the principal judicial officer, we have covered. Next, condition rule 4.3.2, recruitment by transfer. We have all this also know, law degree holder and similar rules. And age should not more than 48 years as on the date first month of notification, and must contain good character. All these common conditions. And not eligible if facing disciplinary charges, who is the aspirant who is facing any disciplinary charges or undergoing any subsisting any punishment for irregularity in discharge of duties. Next, we in AP and Telangana 3-year practice rule status as of now. In the Telangana state, in the earlier notification of 2025, already I have covered this in the session 2, where it is already incorporated the 3-year practice requirement and other conditions. And coming to Andhra Pradesh state, now it is notified under GOMS number 57 dated 16 July 2026, issued under AP Judicial, State Judicial Service and Cadre Rules 2026. And this PDF of notification we can find in the GO portal of the state of Andhra Pradesh. And next, from this notification, the 3-year practice rule now stands binding enforceable eligibility for aspirants. Binding requirement, document your practice. What is document your practice? So we have to keep our documents ready in advance. The certification from the principal judicial officer or an advocate having 10 years plus practice, and also the law clerk experience counts. So it will be easy to produce the documents of experience as a law clerk in the high courts or Supreme Court. Coming to the next other key provisions. So selection process, first is screening test, written examination, thereafter civil laws, criminal laws and translation paper, and finally vivavos. And training program is minimum 1 year at the AP Judicial Academy, compulsory before presiding over a court. Probation period for a civil judge is 2 years. Reservations for SC, ST, BC, EWS, women persons with benchmark disabilities apply as per the AP State and Subordinate Service Rule 1996. These rules also we can find from the official website. Now the AP State Judicial Service and Cadre Rules 2007 stands repealed, because now the GO has been issued on 16 July of 2026, already taken, and these rules stand repealed. And one more condition is whatever appointments or actions already be taken remain unaffected, so there is no problem for that. Coming to next, today I have discussed in brief with regard to the GOMS only, and in the upcoming session we will continue or we will start some test series, like we will start on some law, either criminal law, be it civil law or any Hindu law, or this whatever subjects we have covered. At least we will start in the next session. Some test series will learn, or some subject will start. Thank you. Your feedback matters. You can send your suggestions or feedback to my official email ID, masaligarlegalclinic@gmail.com. And now, thank you.